Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to watch Beanie Sheena as stress reliever. So ayan, alam naman natin na sobrang effortless magpatawa ni She. So hindi ko na ito patatagal. Let's start. Beanie compilation. Edited by you. Sheena Core. Hey!
Yes, Bloom, sasabi na niya Ate Jo, pero just know na dahil you guys have our back, nalilito na ako. Kasi you guys have our back, so, you have a back.
A few moments later.
Ikaw, Bebe, anong comment mo? Saan? For everything. Thank you so much. Thank you po for coming. Now let's all warm up to be warm.
Hey!
Pasensya mo kasi hindi ka naman makapunta agad doon. Like in a snap, it's not possible. You need a lot of snap.
What?
Nag-graduate na ako college na.
Graduate ka na?
Nag-graduate na ako. Naiyak ako.
Naiyak ka. Mag-ikaw mo na eh.
Hey! Diba yung payak ka na biglang babalik yung luha mo. Kasi mag-A ka na muna.
Init talaga.
Hey!
Nung bata ko, pangarap kong mag-artista. Pero ngayon, pangarap ko na lang maging boss. You guys want one? Okay, bye-bye. BRB.
BRB. And grabe si Sheena lately. Sobrang ganda. Like, gusto ko siya na may bangs. Tapos naka-specs. Sobrang ganda. Like, what? Tapos parang hindi na siya ngayon, di ba, malakas tumawa. Kasi 20 na siya. So, di ba, parang sabi niya, hindi na daw siya tatawa ng yung halakhak na halakhak. So, grabe si Sheena lately. Grabe si Gwen, Staco, and Sheena lately sa akin.
Have fun tonight. Okay, wala akong papagod kasi kami nga, di ba, oh? Di kami pagod. Kayo nakaupo lang, nag-cheer. No? Wala ka papagod, okay? Yeah!
Yes, boss.
Energy! At dahil dyan, let's continue with this energy as we go on to our next performance. Recital. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Guys, salamin. Sana siya yung mapasa akin. Mga
Naging effective ba yan? Ginagawa niyo ba yan talaga sa totoong buhay?
effective po kasi...
Uy! Hey!
Be careful, just ignore the back. The coconut nut is a big nut. Why are you laughing at me? I'm not kidding. The coconut nut is a big nut. The coconut nut is a big nut. The coconut nut. And if you eat too much, you get very sad. The coconut nut is a big nut.
Hey!
Ikaw yung pambata namin.
Let's go, Sandy!
Ba't pang si Sheena cute pa din?
Nagugulat!
Hey!
Sige, ikaw, mangga mong nakapalta, papasok na sa school para rumampa dun sa mahabang daanan saan sa salba ka haba ng iyong pusong nagwawa.
This duo.
Nana, 1, 2, 3, go!
I'm not gonna think, ha? This will just all go out on my mouth. Kakasabik naman pala na kapag ikaw ay nandyan na sa tula sa tuktok ng iyong bunganga, alam mo namang hindi ako mapapatulala sa gandang iyong napapala sa kanyang tatay ba o sa iyong nanay na mukha namang lola.
Jollibee, ako nga ba'y bibili ng itong aking pinamili? Jollibee, ako'y napaibig sa iyong ngipin.
Ngipin. Hey!
Eternity later.
First candidate, Sheena Katakuta. If I would be an animal, I would like to be a cat or a tiger. Because I want to be a cat. You can meow.
Tiger,
Ay,
you're
kaya
wrong.
yun.
Bakit gusto mo mag-meow? I wanna meow so that I can contribute to the world. Sobrang laking tulong if you can meow. Like,
Paano mo i-defend to?
if I can meow. Like, the worms here in our house, the ipis, they can
Si
substitute.
Aya.
They can melt into a mountain.
What?
And the gas, solid, and medium.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Tiger kasi na-transpose siya into one. Tsaka mas ito
Cute ko lang to.
answer. Meow. Okay.
Pinas advice for those who want to go to.
Advice po sa mga magbe-beach?
Yes.
Yes, you should wear sunscreen if you don't want to get burned. Kasi I'm burned. And bring snacks. Kasi baka yung resort na pupuntahan mo overpriced.
Totoo.
If you want to see under the sea, bring goggles. And magdala kayo ng sariling shampoo and sabon. Shampoo and sabon para hindi kayo nagsisigawan sa CR.
Parang ganun sila. Hey!
Vision.
A few moments later.
Vision. A community living in freedom. And the fullness of
Makahawa ka na lang pag tumawa si Shi. Tsaka si Aya.
Ano sabi mo?
Si Aya.
Okay, FYI, and ayun, I'm Sheena May Katakutan. Mostly known for Sheena. I'm the student council here. I make sure.
Pigil yung tawa. Ganda ni kalat dito.
Thank you.
Tapos na eh.
Sayang naman. Oh. Malakas mo.
Akala niya ang member niya. Si Jackie pa.
Yung post ko po ever since bata pa lang po ako, andyan na po siya. Yes, yun po yung rason. Kayo po, ba't po kayo may nipple?
Back to you.
Sige. Ayoko.
Ako na lang, Shi. Wow.
Masaya pala yung mga duet. Sorry po kuya, bini po kayo, wapa kami po pakasal. Pwede naman po, i-read ko dun.
Hey! Grato mo kay ko.
Yes.
Can you
share it to us? No. Wala pa kasi silang
That time po, I was 13 years old, tas the rest of them po, late 20s to early 30s. So, bunso, baby. Yaman na sana mo. Wala namatay.
Grabe tawa ko dito. Dati nung kasama ko na.
Eh di wag mo itagak.
Napindot si
Ayaw na pala
Inger.
eh. Eh di wag. Wag na. Tataga pa eh.
Hey!
Hi guys, I'm Sheena and
Hey!
if I were to be an animal, I would be I would like to be a rabbit. Thank you.
Ito maganda rin siya dito. Kung naka-ano siya ng bangs doon, grabe. Oh, this one.
Me too, I want to switch with Ate Jo because she's resting now. Yeah, she's in the Philippines right now. Like, when will you go back? No. Yeah, Ate Jo, because I'm obsessed with her. So
Parang pag wala talaga si Jo, like siya yung bunod pa din sa Bini and ramdam mo na miss siya ng girls, lalo na ni Shi at saka ni Staku. Like, grabe.
Ate Jo, because I'm obsessed with her. So why not be her?
Ganda ni Shi. Ito, tulog na to ni Shi. Sobrang gusto ko yun ang ganda niya doon. Oh my gosh, kuha ko.
1, 2, 3, go! Asaan? Wala! Eto!
That love. Ang sakit-sakit niya. Yung ganitong laugh ni Shi, parang hindi ko na siya masyado narinig lately kasi ayun nga sabi niya, pag nag-20 na daw siya, hindi na daw siya ngingiti. Hahalak ng ganito. Mga 20s, nag-20s na. Yung tawa talaga ni Shi nakakadala eh. So, ayan, grabe talaga pag si Sheena, like, parang siguro, pag buong araw mo pinanood ng mga video ni Sheena, wala, good vibes lang, and parang good mood ka na kasi tatawa ka ng tatawa pag si Sheena talaga, like, effortless, tapos pag sinamahan pa ni Jo, ni Stako, yung mga bunso line, grabe. So, that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Annyeong!